Hi, this is Josie with Travel Advisors Unlimited, and today I have something really exciting. Today is my first voyage on Voyages Scarlet. I have not sailed with anyone else except Disney Cruise Line, so I'm excited to try this. This is how we get into the room. This is going to be your payment. This is going to be everything that you need to get on and off board the ship for everything. This is called your C band. Mine says Ahoy Sailor, and they all seem to be kind of personalized with cute little sayings. This is going to get us into our room. And there we see that we are available to go into the room. Now, let's get started on a room tour. Come on, welcome to our room. First, we start off with, we have a closet area that has some hangers. They have a laundry bag for you so you can get things washed. On the side of the wall, there are two buttons. One that if you would like a do not disturb, and the second on the bottom is if you have spilled something and would like assistance. When you open the closet door, you find that you have a safe, some life vests, and also the hair dryer, plus a few drawers that you can store some things in, all of which are soft closed drawers, so when you're getting ready, you won't wake up the person in the room with you. You also have some storage under here with some cute little baskets to hold anything that you need. Let's go into the bathroom and check that out. In the bathroom, you see that there are some makeup towels along with your sink, some extra toiletries, your toilet, plenty of nice, fresh, fluffy towels, and your shower. It is spacious. It is very, very nice. And then we enter the living quarters or the bedroom. And then you see that you have this, it kind of looks a little different. There is a bed here right now, but you see that there are armrests here. This will eventually turn into a couch during the day, and then it will go into the night mode with the bed. So then you have your nice bed, which just also doubles as your couch, some little stands that you can use. The TV is against the wall, so you have nice viewing area from the bed area. Then you have this cute little desk, which is very nice to put on your makeup if you would like, if somebody is in the bathroom. You also have an area to write if you need to, or anything that you need to get done if you're deciding to work on your cruise. You have a chair here, a little lamp, and you have some other storage area underneath along with your mini fridge. So this makes a nice spacious accommodation for you to store plenty of stuff in, and there seems to be enough storage under the bed if you needed to, so we will decide later if under the couch will work also. Let's explore the veranda together. On the veranda, you will find a nice sized area for two or more together. There are two chairs, a small table, and Virgin Voyages' very signature red hammock. Now, follow along as we go forth and explore the ship together on our very first Virgin voyage.